How to add echo effect in audio CapCut. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up CapCut. And keep in mind that the process that I'm about to show you works whether you want to add echo effect on an existing audio, which is the audio that the video contains, or to an audio that you want to add on top of your video. It works the same way. So let's click on to add new project. Let me choose a random video, say for example this one right here. Now as I said right here, you can either add an audio or add the echo effect to the existing video audio. So I'm going to choose the video audio, so let me just go ahead and extract it. Let's click extract. Now once you have the audio right here, what you need to do is you need to click on it, and at the bottom click on voice effects, and let's scroll this list right here to find the echo. Let's click on it, and here you will have the option to control how do you want the echo to sound like. And once you are okay and you like the result, click on the check mark at the bottom right to save the changes. And by doing that, you have just added the echo effect to your audio on CapCut. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add echo effect to a CapCut audio. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.